I'm gonna get him.
Taylor,
Touchdown!
I don't want you walking near me with that stick. I'm not gonna hit you. Alright, that was good. Alright. Both the shoes went off.
Lost my shoes on that one.
Hey, lost now.
Fixing to. Oh yeah.
I don't want to know.
It's Taryn. Oh, Taryn. Hey, that's holding. Holding. I got video. Open. Open. Touchdown. Oh. Good defense. Good defense.
Sorry.
Terrible throw.
Not throwing it right. Oh, I was really close to it. Start with me. Start with me.
Mommy, am I going for it?
Start with me. I'm not throwing it.
Me.
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 What's the difference in the girl?
Girl power.
Wait a minute. You're not gonna put this on Facebook or anything, are you?
Probably.
Ain't nobody gonna watch it like
Oh, good shot. That's the best throw all day. Best throw all day.
I see why they don't turn their face around. Oh my god. Look at the dovey things in the back. No, bird. This time. So I don't get in.
Wow.
I think I broke a nail. No, I think I
You just broke a nail, Tyler? Oh my goodness. He broke a nail. Another one? Okay, I think I'm open this time. Hurry, hurry. Throw it. Got one right there.
Stop. You still don't got it. Taylor, no.
I made it.